I promised myself that every time something interesting happened, I would take the phone out of my pocket today, and I shouldn't have done that. My maintenance man called me and said that a house was broken into. That's the third segment in this video. The second segment is my buddy Shaun called me and asked me to go just do stuff with him. So we looked at a house where he's flipping it for $68,000 in an actual nice neighborhood for once. Yay! So you want to see what a good neighborhood looks like. And then he wanted to know if I would buy a house for $1, and we went and looked at it. And you decide whether you would buy the house for $1 or not. Yeah, those houses exist, so you can see a $1 house and a break-in and all that stuff in this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and tell me if you guys like this format where I do several different segments in the life of a hillbilly landlord. So let me know. Yeah, see, I don't know if I would give $1 for this, but I mean, were you
across the glass in there?
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
Yeah.
That house over on 7th or whatever it was.
Yeah.
This kind of reminds me of that.
What's 7th?
Was it 7th? Down by my laundromat?
Hickory?
No, it was the guy I talked to that was online from Dayton.
I don't remember.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
Holy crap. Okay, yeah. Dang it.
Look at that roof.
Oh my gosh.
That's super bad.
And the bank just wants a release.
Yeah, the owner just wants it out of his name.
I'm surprised the land bank hasn't like
Well, they're out of money now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're pretty much dead. So,
Nice deteriorating foundation.
yeah.
I wonder where the property line is on this one. Oh, hey, it's got new plywood on it. It's got new plywood on it.
Yeah. Yeah, this might be worth a call to Luke. Just say, hey, is there any more money in the land bank? You know? Because this is the perfect property for the land bank.
Yeah.
Just look how easy it is to make it park space.
Yeah.
They're already mowing.
Do you think we could get the bank to sign off on it for $1?
Maybe.
What if there's back taxes on it? Look at that gorgeous roof. Those shingles are three-dimensional.
Is that what you call it?
Yeah. You know, 3-tab shingles are two-dimensional.
Yeah.
Architectural shingles are three-dimensional, and those look three-dimensional to me too. I can't believe that the chimney's not completely disintegrated at this point.
I'm gonna text Luke and have you make a call.
You're on a text basis with the mayor?
Man.
That's cool. I'm just glad that you're on the mayor's good side.
I am. I had lunch with him a couple months ago.
That's
We
good.
were allowed to have lunch. And yeah, we're friends now. So.
That's good. No angry bricks or anything through the window?
No.
That's good. Dang.
The lady just keeps her cats here.
Okay.
Dogs.
So this is a
Dogs,
cat house.
And she comes by every couple of days and feeds them.
Okay, so this house is full of cats and dogs,
But no one actually lives here.
but no one lives here. They just come by and feed the animals. Can you imagine the
smell?
the smell in there?
I can actually. I've bought that house a couple times now.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the tree
Hey,
growing out of the side.
wait,
Huh? There's
Where?
like, well,
let's go up and look.
yeah, there's this guy.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, the tree.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
coming out of the siding, not going in.
Holy crap. And look, it's like No, it's obvious no one's used this porch. It's almost entirely claimed by ivy. Oh my gosh.
Pretty loud.
And I wonder if what's the story with this house over here too.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Should probably. This one might be occupied.
We're finally at that point where you can just go and drive around and look at people's messy yards.
Yeah, that one could be occupied. I don't know.
But they would sell it. I'm sure they would sell it to us. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you could buy a whole block here.
That's that nasty old rolled roof on it. Yeah, you could buy a block for $500. Man, this is really nice, Sean.
So I figure we'll be, well, how long do you want? Oh, yeah.
Have I been in this? Are all these houses over here the same kind of
I have no idea.
style? Because man, okay. So the average price in this neighborhood is about $125,000 to $150,000. And this is one of the neighborhoods where nobody can find a deal. And Sean bought this place for $65,000, I think he said. I mean, obviously needs some work, but no deals, huh? This is why I wish that I had more time and availability to go out and find deals like this. I mean, not that I have to go out and find them. They come to me all the time. But due to my own inefficiencies at management, I'm too busy. Especially with the trailer park. The poor door got hurt. Laundry area. That's cool. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Look at all this crap. Man. Yeah, the first floor looking pretty good. Anyone want Adidas Sport or OtterBox? Cool. An OtterBox. There's a way to get back there. I hope I don't step on something poisonous. This house has been abandoned enough. I shouldn't get coronavirus, so. Man. Have you found anything neat in this basement, Sean?
My daughter so far, well, as of yesterday, had made $650.
$650?
She had another $200 or so today.
Just out of crap out of this house?
Yeah.
Say $850 so far?
Yeah.
Dang.
And that's
I mean,
not including any furniture. There's all kinds of nice furniture and stuff.
yeah, I mean, this little Fisher Price type kitchen, those go on Facebook all the time for like, $25-30.
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of little knick-knack crap. Was this a foreclosure tax sale or what?
Foreclosure, yeah.
Okay, so you just bought it on the market?
No, it was at a sheriff's sale.
Oh, sheriff's sale. Okay.
Yeah.
So you bought it prior to
Correct,
it being
market,
listed.
Yeah.
This is an awesome little house.
But yeah, I mean, 68 grand. Like I said, I'm thinking, you know.
Okay, 68. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's worth 115 ish. And you know, really, other than the clean out, we're gonna refinish the hardwoods.
Oh, cool.
3 rooms up front. We're gonna paint, and we're gonna fix the front porch and put 2 screen doors on.
Okay.
So I mean, we're talking like 7 grand worth of work.
Okay. So 68 plus 7 grand, that'll put you at 75. Resell you probably fire sell it for 110, 150, probably 110.
Yeah.
So that would put you at what, 35,000?
Yeah. And pretty quick and easy, you know. I'm thinking.
Yeah, your hot water and furnace look okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cool deal.
In theory, 30 days in and out.
That almost looks like a food service box.
Could be. There was a lot of music equipment in here.
Okay, so it could be a road case then.
That's what I thought it was. Yeah.
PHB. Okay.
But,
It looks like something expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, VHS cassettes. There's some value in those.
Right. All kinds.
Yeah.
What if we done here the other? Or no, the next project we've got looks similar to this. She's like, wow, look at all these CDs, and she picks them up, and they're 45s.
Oh.
Or 45s. Are those the small ones?
Yeah, 45 is the small ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's funny.
She's like, look, man, they got so many CDs in here.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, about that.
Yeah. That's funny.
Yeah. It's terrible when your kids don't, you know.
It just depends on the kid.
The modern technology for us of CDs, you know.
Okay, so here's what's so weird.
Yeah.
Is you've got this table over here. There's another house that I looked at and did a bank assessment on as a foreclosure that has a table that looks almost identical to this.
Really?
Yeah, I want to say it was down, like 2 or 3 doors down that way.
Yeah.
I mean, just that's why I was like,
weird.
man, I've been in this house before. Is there extra half story here?
No.
There's one on the other one.
Yeah.
It's almost like I know a lot of the houses in this area. They opened up the second floor. Oh man, how much crap was on here?
It was stacked all the way around. You can see by how wet and nasty it was.
Oh yeah, man.
There was like bird cages and just all kinds of stuff.
This deck would.
Power washing felt good.
Yeah, this deck would be great shape if they.
A little unsafe,
Oh yeah.
but it's existing. It's fine.
Okay, yeah, it's up to code.
Yeah.
Who cares?
Yep. The electric's on.
Are you pulling my trailer out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I just thought I'd come back and check.
Okay, cool. All right.
Yeah. I gotta get this other one in here.
Wow, you got even a little koi pond here. That's awesome. That's cool. Get probably $100 out of these. Cool.
You got the cigarettes?
No, you have them.
Excuse me.
Sorry, boy.
We're taking this whole shelf thing out.
Awesome. Now this is for anybody that says I don't have anything nice. This is my trailer that Shaun and every other human being in Southern Ohio borrows off me on a very almost daily basis. Alrighty, so this is the one that we're working on right now, and Metropolitan Housing informed us that you can no longer put dual-sided deadbolts on these. So normally what happens is we keep dual-sided deadbolts, so it's a key entry here on these till somebody moves in for security purposes. And they informed us that if they do inspections, they no longer allow us to have a dual-sided deadbolt on a house. This one's currently being renovated now. We just had a tenant move out, and they left the floor in beautiful shape. They did a wonderful job with the carpet in here. That was actually brand new. This carpet is 2 years old, maybe 2.5 years old. Brand new carpet, and just the condition of it's impeccable. So they're in here repainting and doing stuff with the walls. So in order to comply with government regulations, we have taken out all the deadbolts and installed, or the dual-sided deadbolts, and installed these kinds where you can flip them. And the problem is, it's easy to break these out. This is plexi here. They broke the plexi out of this door, and they reached their hand in like so, and they unlock the house. Now, my maintenance guys called me this morning, or this probably around noon, and said, Brandon, they broke into the house. And I said, so is the stove stolen? No. Did they steal the Java Monster? No. They steal the plumbing and the piping? No, it's all PEX. What did they do here? So what did they do here? Our paint's here. The carpet's here. What problems do you see they did? And he said, they peed in the sink. They peed in the sink. Why would anybody pee in the sink? This is a new countertop. When we have a working commode here with water. The water's on. We're trying to get it prepped for an inspection. They left some clothes here. What the heck? Why would anybody do that? They broke in to pee in my sink. It doesn't make any sense at all. Which is kind of like a normal thing for my life. So they're going to continue rehab on this and hopefully be done in the near future after we replace the garbage carpets. The flooring here had to be replaced. It was new too, and they put holes in it. I mean, who knew that it's so easy to put holes in floors? So they've got to come here and resecure this property and fix it because it's essentially unsecured as it is right now. But, you know, so my life consists of people breaking into properties and peeing in sinks for no good reason. I mean, they've done that. It'd be nice if I could say that this is the first time something like this has happened, but it's not.